African researchers are concerned about the resistance of malaria parasites to anti-malarial drugs. A team of specialists from the Pathogen Genomic Diversity Network of Africa, PDNA, is working on this issue through research to better understand the phenomenon and how to address it. VOA's Alexandrine Holognon spoke with Professor Abdoulaye Djimdé, a Mali-based malaria researcher and the president of PDNA. He explains the significance of the research.
The problem of resistance to anti-malarial drugs is a recurring problem. Each time scientists succeed in finding a drug, after a certain number of years, the parasites develop resistance, and we are faced with the need to find new drugs. Resistance is when we consume drugs that should normally kill the parasites, and these parasites are no longer killed by the drugs we take. So we are in the case of artemisinin derivatives in Africa, and we are at a partial resistance because we have not yet reached the stage where the drugs do not succeed in killing the parasites. What is happening now is that the time that the drug takes to kill the parasites is being prolonged, which is called partial resistance. But if we do not act now, we risk having full resistance. Where the drug is not used, the cases of death will increase, and the international community, along with the health and scientific authorities, must find solutions to avoid this. Surveillance work must be carried out so that we can know the extent of the problems. For the moment, confirmed cases are in Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, and in the Horn of Africa. We have Ethiopia and parts of Sudan. We must now carry out surveillance studies in other countries to know the extent of the problem, and we must ensure that the tools we have in the fight against malaria are deployed efficiently and comprehensively. That is to say that even the most remote populations can be covered by the tools we have. In particular, mosquito nets, rapid diagnostic tests, treatment with artemisinin-based combination therapies for uncomplicated malaria, or the use of intravenous artemis unit for severe cases, indoor spraying, vaccination, all tools that must be deployed wherever the need arises to counter the problem of artemisinin resistance that is beginning to worry us.